No, I wanted to get on to please. Okay. Yeah. But me, I'm going to be a bit provocative. Because I think there are reasons why we are here discussing what we are discussing. And in my diagnosis, it begins to indicate that SWAPO is dying. And I want somebody to challenge me on that. And I have my reasons why I say that. If you look at the issues we are addressing, they are beginning to look trivial. And we are, in a way, becoming myopic by being drawn to small issues in the greater scheme of things. An organization, in my view, should be there for the benefit of common good, to create a critical mass so you can have the best of what is it that you are competing for. What is SWAPO supposed to do? It should be a big, broad home in which we coexist so we can politically compete to create the environment that guarantees us dignified life, amongst other things. Right? Now, in your presentation, you touched on a few critical things, like the reasons why we take part in this political discourse. My young brothers here, most of them, and you said we failed. We're talking about because our parents, because we are born into it. And you, in my view, you touched on it very well in your response. But those are the key questions. Can you really exist in something just because you were born in it? Fine, if it's your choice. But then don't expect any other thing than the affinity to it because you are born into it. Now, going further, we talked about things like structures. How do we actually need structures, or do we need to produce our leadership through these structures? Are there any inhibiting constraints in those processes? In my view, yes. Because that begins to speak to how you campaign, who you campaign with, and what you campaign for. There's no more the organization is bigger than the individual. It leads to, because of the way you are constrained, it may have been okay when you guys came from exile to have structures from the sections because you wanted to sanitize yourself from ground up. What is wrong today if we adopt a culture or a system of universal suffrage, where any bona fide SWAPO member is invited to go and register for eligibility, and whoever stands or wants to stand for SWAPO leadership goes out there and articulates why they want to be elected, so that you are campaigning on the basis of substance and not factionalism, because the factional element is let's stick together so that when I am there, I control the opportunities and then you gain. For me, these are the serious issues that we need to be bogged down with. Think tank. Let's select think tank thinking. When we select this think tank, we must be thinking. Yes. It's true, because it's chomi, booty. I was also on that list. Oh. And nobody, yes, I was on that list. I was just kicked off because I'm seen to be something else. But was I consulted to say, Desmond, we want you to be a part of this think tank? Because there's one thing of you thinking what I'm capable of. There's also the other, whether I am confident enough to dispose those competencies. So I wanted to say that maybe help influence the discussion and the debate so we can begin to talk about the serious things and the things that are inhibiting us to become and remain competitive. Yeah. So that we can compete politically with other political parties, create this home that responds to all our dreams and aspirations. Yeah. Because the Constitution guarantees us